Hi guys, today we will discuss about fast fashion. So let's begin.
The truth about fast fashion, how it affects the planet. Fast fashion may seem convenient and affordable, but it's taking a toll on our planet. Let's dive into the hidden costs of fast fashion and what you can do to make a difference. 1. The environmental impact. Learn about the water, energy, and resources used to produce cheap, disposable clothing. 2. Waste in landfills. Millions of tons of clothing are thrown away each year, taking decades to decompose. 3. Microplastics in the ocean. Synthetic fabrics release microplastics during washing, polluting waterways, and harming marine life. 4. The human cost. Explore how fast fashion exploits workers in unsafe conditions with unfair wages. 5. Solutions. What you can do. Buy less. Choose quality over quantity. Support sustainable brands. Donate or sell unwanted clothing. Participate in clothing swaps. Fast fashion affects us all. What changes will you make to help reduce its impact? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments.
Yeah, slow fashion, as my friend says. Thank you. Thanks for watching.